Hey, it's Aran here. In this new Zenler tech tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert your new email subscriber and send them directly to a sales page in the hopes of converting them into a buyer. If you're interested in that, stick around. I'm going to show you exactly how it's done right now. So when you go to marketing funnels, you can choose your funnel, go to the funnel steps, and now you got opt-in page and thank you page. What you want to do is you want to skip the thank you page and you want to send people directly to your sales page from the opt-in page directly. The way you do that is when you're on the opt-in page, you just click on it. And typically how they have it set up in New Zenler is you have the open pop-up. So when you're clicking the button of, subscribing to the email list or whatever, it says open pop-up. You'll see it right here. Click on the settings. Click on settings. You see open pop-up. Okay. Now what you do is you click on open pop-up, and this is the pop-up right here. You click on yes, I want to grab now. Enter the settings, and on the settings, you want the action to be submit form, and then the post submit action, instead of next step, you want to send them to a link. Here you would paste in your sales page, which you would get from your courses. Okay, so for example, if you're selling something directly from New Zenler, you would go to courses, pick the specific course that you have, and then grab the sales page link and paste it right here. Okay, or if you're doing the checkout on Thrivecart or ClickFunnels or anything along these lines, you can simply paste it there. So it doesn't really matter which link you put there. You can basically put whatever link you want. The extra benefit of using, instead of the opt-in page, but sending people to the thank you page, is you can use the thank you page as some sort of bridge where you do a video that says, thank you so much for entering your name and email. If you want to learn more about working with me, click the link below to buy XYZ or read the sales page or whatever. But this is an extra step that you don't have to do. You can send people directly from the opt-in page once they enter their name and email, straight to whatever page you want to send them to, which is the post submit link. Hope that helps. I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot for watching the Zenler tutorial. Really appreciate it. So if you want to check out New Zenler, if you haven't used it before, go to tryzenler.com. It will give you an option to create a free account where you can actually play around with it and take it for a test drive on your own. When you do that, also send me an email to contact@aranbukhari.com, and if you decide to actually sign up and become a paying customer for Zenler, I'll send you a bunch of bonuses that are actually going to help you get your website up and running as soon as possible with my help. And if you're already a New Zenler customer, then go to aranfunnels.com/Zenler in case you want to get some extra help from me personally to actually help you with your website. And also there's a bunch of bonuses there that you're going to be able to download to get prepared for what you want to get done. That's about it. If you have any questions for me about New Zenler, any tutorials you want to make, anything like that, leave a comment below. And of course, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll speak to you soon.